Hi there, Colin from Woo Ninja here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use simple texting with Groundhog. And what we're going to do is step through the installation process and also how to send customized and personalized messages to your contacts, all from within Groundhog and WordPress. At the end of the video, I'm also going to show you how to trigger funnels based on when texts are delivered or not delivered. So let's get started. To get started, I'm going to assume you have installed Groundhog and you've installed the simple texting integration. You can see here from my WordPress dashboard that I've done both. You can see the integration here and Groundhog here. To get started, we'll need to come to Groundhog itself and choose settings here on the left-hand side and choose simple texting here on the top banner. When this loads, you'll see there's two sections you need to fill out. One is your API key or token from Simple Texting and your license key from Woo Ninja. If you go to this URL here, you'll see a page similar to this and your API token should appear at the top here. You may need to hit generate or generate new if you already have an existing API key. So going back to your settings, enter both your API key here and your Woo Ninja license key here and click Save Changes. And when you've done that, click Activate License. We're now going to start building a few funnels, and the first funnel I'm going to show you is how to send an SMS message. So here's one I created a little bit earlier. It's a really simple funnel. At the start here, it's when a tag is applied. So a real simple tag to send an SMS message. And the action here, which you can do by clicking Add Step and look here in Actions to send text, is going to send a text. The top field here allows you to choose which meta field your contact's number is stored in. So for example, the default in Groundhog is primary phone, but perhaps you have a custom CRM in use, perhaps you're importing data from somewhere else and you might have a different meta key you're using. You can go ahead and choose that. At the time of making this video, Simple Texting only supports 10-digit numbers from the US and Canada only, and this field assumes that those numbers are correct. So we don't do any post-processing or adding in any extensions, etc. So we assume that the numbers you're giving to our funnel are 10-digit numbers only. Below here is the context of the text itself. You can use replacement codes that are available within Groundhog, for example, full name, your site URL, owner. All these are available referenced in the emails as well, so you can check there. Once we've done that, we'll go ahead and click Save. And when this funnel runs, so when this tag is applied to send an SMS, this text message will be sent using the primary phone meta key to this particular contact. And that's pretty much it. Really simple, and your SMSs are sending. On the other side, let's assume that you want to get a report when messages are delivered or undelivered. If the message is delivered or not delivered within 24 hours, you can have a funnel that looks like this. And to do this, this is a benchmark. So if you come to Add Step, choose Benchmark, you have text delivered and text not delivered. I'm going to choose text delivered. And when this happens, we're going to apply a tag saying the SMS was delivered. To set up this particular step, there's a little bit of extra work you need to do. If you notice here in the description, there's a URL. You need to go ahead and copy that URL, and it's the same URL for delivered and undelivered. Come back into your simple text settings, choose webhooks here at the top, and the delivery report URL, paste that URL in, and click Save Changes. What this will do is when Simple Text gets a delivery report from the carrier, this will send to Groundhog and will trigger that benchmark. So that's a really quick overview of how to send SMSs within Groundhog and also how to check the reports about delivery and not delivered. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below or feel free to send me an email directly. I look forward to hearing all your questions and comments, and enjoy my extension. I can't wait to hear how you use it. Take care.